Thank you, Lisa. We're going to do chocolate lava cake tonight.
Ooh, that sounds yummy.
For that, we'll need some eggs, flour, salt, vanilla extract, some butter, sugar, and guess what? Chocolate.
No, really?
A little bit.
You have to melt the chocolate?
I do.
With the butter?
I have to melt the chocolate with the butter. That's the first thing we are going to do, and for that we are going to use a double boiler. Since we don't have any, we'll make our own.
How do you do that?
Just look. That's a double boiler.
Oh, that's excellent. So that way you don't have to actually buy a double boiler. You can make your own.
No, you don't.
I had no idea you were so clever.
I am. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt and half of cup of flour. And in other words, mixy, mixy, mixy.
Mixy, mixy, mixy. That's the technical term.
All right. Next, we're gonna mix our wet ingredients, which are eggs, egg yolks, vanilla, and half a cup of sugar.
So you're mixing the wet with the dry.
Use them more dry, since the dry are actually in the melted chocolate.
Ah.
3, one more.
That's a lot of eggs you got there, John.
Well, this is kind of cholesterol free, actually.
They say don't put all your
More
eggs in one basket.
Sugar. And exactly 1 tablespoon of vanilla. That's what it is. And again, mixy, mixy, mixy. All right. We're going to mix this egg yolks for about 5 minutes. Look at the color now, it's very yellow.
Looks pretty yellow.
And in about 5 minutes, they're gonna turn pale. You will see the difference in just a minute. Pale, you will see. Let's do it. Step. You follow the chocolate into the egg mixture. Little bit at a time. And you turn it, you flip it upside down.
So this is folding.
Folding.
Show us your folding technique, John.
You go from the bottom and you go to the top. And you go 1 spoon or 2 spoons at a time, or a little bit at a time like this. Here we go, that's it.
Oh, so you
and
went
you
from
go
1
deep
spoon
inside and you raise it up. That is to be done very seriously.
You don't look very serious. Well, maybe you do. Right, so
Good.
it looks like we have, what did you do to the
I just
ramekins?
incorporated.
The ramekins have a little bit of...
they have a little bit of cooking oil, a little bit, and just some sugar in it.
A little coating of sugar. Okay,
Sugar.
carry on.
And then you're just gonna move your butter into the ramekin.
All right, are those ready to go in the oven?
They are. So we're going to put them for about 10 minutes at 425. And as always, hope for the best. See you guys. Time's up. Let's take them out of the oven. Turn the thing off. And they look absolutely beautiful.
They do look pretty good.
Let's put them here for a second. We're gonna let them
you have
cook by themselves. Another 5 minutes.
Who's drinking the champagne?
Oh, I am.
Okay, the moment of truth.
The moment of truth. So the first thing we want to do is with a knife go around the rim here. They look good. Like this. Take a glove.
Those look delicious.
They are going to be delicious. Put a plate on top. Go upside down. And now...
Tap it a few times, right?
Yep. Take the knife.
Tappy, tappy, tappy.
Let's see what happened. It's hot. Okay, too hot. And that's your lava cake right here.
Ah,
Beautiful.
perfect.
Wow.
Let's take a look at that. That looks beautiful.
That looks like a beautiful.
Nice
You can
job.
always put some ice cream on top. And hopefully it's going to be
We
delicious.
have a guest this evening who's trying our lava cake. Elliot, let's see if you like it.
All right, I feel like Guy Fieri on Diners, Dives, and Drive-Ins, and he goes, let me see.
what we have here.
All right, what do you think, John? Is he gonna like it?
Probably not, but
I don't know. Well,
he does like it.
Does he like it?
Oh my God. That is so good.
The best lava cake you will ever
I'm going
had
to
tonight.
eat the whole thing.